Welcome to the CarLux. Today, we're diving into a car that truly defines opulence. The 2025 Bentley Mulsanne. Known as the pinnacle of luxury sedans, the Mulsanne combines timeless elegance, handcrafted details, and uncompromising performance. Let's explore what makes this dream car a masterpiece for luxury enthusiasts. The 2025 Bentley Mulsanne is a rolling work of art. Its stately design features Bentley's iconic chrome matrix grille, sharp LED headlights, and an elongated hood that exudes sophistication. The smooth, flowing lines and 21-inch polished alloy wheels give it a commanding presence. Unique color options like Verdant green and midnight sapphire ensure that your Mulsanne will stand out wherever it goes. This is a car that turns every arrival into an event. Step inside and you're welcomed into a cabin of unrivaled craftsmanship. The 2025 Mulsanne features hand-stitched leather, intricate wood veneers, and custom metal detailing. The spacious interior offers reclining rear seats with massage and ventilation functions, creating a first-class experience for passengers. The Bentley rotating display, with its high-resolution touchscreen, seamlessly blends tradition and technology. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, the Mulsanne provides unmatched comfort. Don't let its luxurious demeanor fool you. The 2025 Bentley Mulsanne is a powerhouse. It's equipped with a 6.75-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an astonishing 530 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a silky smooth ride while effortlessly accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Despite its size, the Mulsanne's advanced suspension system ensures exceptional handling and a cloud-like ride. The Mulsanne is packed with cutting-edge technology. It features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless maneuvering. The Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, while the onboard Wi-Fi and tablet-style rear entertainment screens keep passengers connected and entertained. Starting at approximately $350,000, the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne is a statement of unparalleled luxury and prestige. What do you think about the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne? Is it your ultimate dream car? Or is there another luxury sedan that catches your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more luxury car reviews on the CarLux. Until next time, drive in style and elegance.